MaintainX CoPilot helps technicians by easily and quickly surfacing information for them on the fly. So imagine if you're a technician and you're fixing an asset, but you don't have the manual handy and you really need to reference it. By pulling up CoPilot and asking it a couple of questions, you can easily and quickly see different procedures, parts, tools, and even some more information about the things that you actually need to get the job done. Artificial intelligence is kind of scary and gnarly from afar, but really when we zoom in, it's actually quite simple, and that's the point. I think that's the biggest misconception today with AI in general. When you think about it in the context of MaintainX, what we're doing is really trying to help technicians on the front line capture the notes after a work order without them having to take their gloves off and type in information. They can just easily and quickly pick up a phone, speak into that phone, and have a note that's generated for them that's perfectly written and formatted, so that way they can save it to the work order and send it back to their boss.